Hello, ladies and gentlemen, welcome all of you. Traditional Turkish breakfast varieties 6th video. Hot foods, cold foods, pastries, salty and sweet varieties. You will also see a different egg recipe in the final. Firstly, fried dough with herbs and cheese. Salt, sugar, yeast, crushed cheese and whey, parsley and black seed, sesame. The dough was prepared one day in advance and left for one night to ferment in the refrigerator. Flour is added and the dough is opened in a medium round shape. Need to pierce the middle, will be easier to remove from the oil when cooking. Doughs will not be too thin. Doughs are now in the baking stage. Place on thin rolling pin and prepare heated oil. Add the doughs into heated oil and fry. Fried dough is removed from the oil and served. One person is enough for one person. Instead of bread, this kind of delicious dough is sometimes preferred. Mixed vegetable fries with tomato sauce. Sometimes the breakfast menu can be mainly a little frying. French fries, eggplant and green zucchini. Some carrots can be added. Boiled tomato sauce, and includes tomato paste, ketchup and spices. With or without sauce, breakfast can be roast. Finally, on the green hot pepper and bake in the oven for 5 minutes is enough. In this menu we will see honeycomb flower honey for dessert. Known as the most healthy dessert type, honey is indispensable for breakfast. Honey in different regions has different flavor from each other. Honey and butter, creamer and milk can be preferred. Turkish breakfast cannot be the same every day. Something must change the other day. Cheese, olives, cucumbers, tomatoes, eggs, these can be every day. Let's look again at breakfast. Mixed vegetable fries with tomato sauce. Flour honey. Green and black olives, cow cheese, cucumber, tomato. Fried dough with parsley and cheese. Poached eggs and a different egg recipe to be made. Mulberry molasses omelette. Original homemade black mulberry molasses to be used. This is a different flavor for me, a breakfast for the southeast region. 3 pieces of eggs are inserted into the bowl. Eggs need to be whipped. Adding some salt. Add some liquid oil into the pan and add the eggs when heated. Mulberry molasses is added after taking the shape of a normal omelette. Fold the omelette and add to the serving plate after folding. A hot and sweet egg. Yes, I am open to different things, you can try it too. We have come to the end of the video prepared for you. Thanks to everyone who watched the videos from start to finish and supported me. Please share videos with your friends. See you in a new video. Goodbye.